All right, guys, hi, and welcome to our channel. Today I am going to share with you our planting of our garden. So we've already actually weeded and tilled everything. My husband did the tilling of the garden. Now we're just placing our plants where we want them to go. So we'll do some that are already plants and seedlings. We did grow some seedlings, but we also purchased seedlings as well. And now we're kind of just discussing where we want everything to go. We did draw out everything according to where we want, just when we went to purchase what seeds and things that we would need. So we're just kind of talking about that plan that we had mapped out, and we're starting at the back and we're going to move forward. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys watch this time lapse. It was so fun. This is our favorite time of the spring to really get our garden going and to see all the great things that will grow. We'll have the girls help. They always help throughout the process. Right now, this is kind of mommy and daddy's time to just map it out. We had a storm that was getting ready to happen, so we really tried to focus on knocking it out. The baby is sleeping and only the older girls are out playing, so they'll come in one by one and help us to do some planting, but right now we're just getting everything knocked out. So at this point, the rain has started. So the girls are going to head in, and my husband and I are going to finish knocking out the rest of the garden. Everything is planted and good to go. He'll do some weed whacking at the end. We also moved our strawberries from out of our garden into some potted plants here, and we put these on these cool little pallets there. They're actually doing really well. So excited about that. But that is the first phase of our garden, and thanks so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. All right, thanks guys. Bye.